Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft brick in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually craft a workbench. So to do that, just press tab on your keyboard. This will open up the pocket crafting menu, and then click here on workbench. You just need 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Then I want you to craft this. After you've crafted that, I want you to come here and press F to open up the workbench. Now from here, I want you to click on this section to open up the crafting menu, and then I want you to just go ahead and click on this one right here. This will let you build the builder's workbench. You just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Craft this up. I want you to place it somewhere and then press F. Now, to go ahead and get bricks, you just go and place any type of stones. As you can see, I have different ones right here, so I'll just place this one here in input, and as you can see, we have different types of bricks, and you can pick any that you want. So I'll go ahead and pick this smooth brick, so I'll choose that, and then I'll click here on craft, and as you can see, I have my smooth brick crafted. Then I can take this back as well. Let me just place it somewhere just to show you, right here for example. And that is how to craft a brick in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. It'll really help me out.